Hi beloved, this is Doc Gilbert and bakit nga ba may corrupt dito sa Pilipinas? Well, maraming dahilan kung bakit nagiging corrupt ang isang leader. But when we look at deeper, it goes way back sa childhood nila. Disclaimer, hindi enough reason yung trauma natin para sa mga ginawa nating kasalanan. We still need accountability, we still need to change kung ganun man. But in our topic, it's to deeper understand kung saan nanggagaling itong mga taong ito. And hopefully, mag-stop yung cycle ng generational trauma and curse. Okay? So imagine yung isang bata na who's supposed to receive love, empathy, and care from their parents or significant adults na nagbabantay sa kanila. But rather, ang na-receive nila ay neglect, meaning napabayaan sila with their emotional and mental and even physical needs or even abuse. So very common yan dito sa Philippines. Like physical abuse, yung pananakit sa bawat pagkakamali, mental, verbal, and even sexual abuse. And in order for them to survive this kind of abuse, these children, they've learned how to control the environment. At paano yun? They try to please as much as they can itong mga parents na to, no? But in the process, na-neglect nila yung pagkatao nila or yung tinatawag na sense of self. And nabubuo yung identity nila based dun sa pag-please sila dun sa tao. Thus also getting this huge part ng personality ng mga taong ito sa pagkatao nila. And this defense mechanism ng bata ay sadly dadalhin niya hanggang adult. And it will become what we call a narcissistic personality. And ako, in my years of counseling, I have done counseling with different people na victims and survivors ng narcissistic abuse, especially by their parents, partners, friends, bosses, leaders sa church, and this has been actually an epidemic. So this person would try to get into power, into position, because finally, somehow, some way, they'll get the control and the power that they have lost nung bata sila growing up. And now, this wound will fuel corruption. And to discuss more, please stay tuned sa next episode. Bye, beloved!